Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dragon City app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps is here, and there you're looking for Dragon City app, or just click on search. Then here add Dragon City, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is here, click here on force stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage here, so come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search here for Dragon City, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.